Welcome to your fabulous lakefront gem on the pristine shores of Merrymeeting Lake. Located at 78 South Shore Road in New Durham, New Hampshire, this charming cottage offers breathtaking views and crystal clear water. Outside, you will find plenty of space to relax and entertain, featuring 2 composite decks, a cozy fire pit area, and sweeping views of the surrounding mountains and undeveloped slopes. Step inside to discover a warm and inviting living room, complete with an open cathedral ceiling, lovely wood paneling, and a classic wood stove. The updated eat-in kitchen features beautiful cabinetry, wood floors, and a wonderful lake view right from the window. This turnkey, fully furnished seasonal home offers 3 bedrooms, plus an adorable private nook for additional sleeping space, ensuring plenty of room for family and guests. Relax in the gorgeous sunroom, where walls of windows frame sweeping lake and mountain views. Head down to the water to enjoy nearly 114 feet of prime shorefront. The oversized composite dock and sundeck provide deep water access, perfect for boating, kayaking, and swimming on one of New Hampshire's cleanest lakes. With easy access to hiking, fishing, and endless outdoor fun, this well-cared-for property is the ultimate seasonal retreat. Come live where you play and schedule your private tour today.